The three concerns that should be considered when digesting this new Wisconsin law, which are transparency, impartiality, and competence. I'm going to discuss those and how the new Wisconsin law addresses each of those concerns. Regarding the first concern, which is transparency, it's been argued that secrecy ensures the efficiency of these investigations. It has also been argued that secrecy weakens the public's confidence in these investigations and also gives them serious doubt as to the final result. Now, according to the new law, which addresses both of these concerns, initially, the investigation will be held confidential. But if it is determined that charges will not be filed, then the public is granted access to this investigative report. So the law has taken steps to address both concerns, keeping the investigation as efficient as possible and allowing the public to analyze these reports if it is determined that charges will not be filed. The new law also requires that police agencies make their policies governing these investigations available to the public. The second concern is impartiality. The new law requires that the investigators be outside of the agency involved. For example, the Madison Police Department. If the officer is a Madison police officer, the persons investigating the actions cannot be a part of the Madison Police Department. They have to be from another outside, unrelated police agency. This reinforces the concern of impartiality. It minimizes any effect of bias or favorable attitude toward the police officer because these persons investigating are not familiar with the police officer, have no personal relationship with the police officer. So it ensures a high level of objectivity when conducting these investigations. The third concern is competence. Now, the law does not require that the investigators have any specific level of competence or training. But in practice, what similar agencies have done in adhering to the similar laws is that they're placing experienced homicide detectives on these investigative teams. So while the law does not require that the investigators have a specific level of training, the investigation teams in practice all have experience in investigations such as homicides.